Hi everybody, it's Debbie back on YouTube, and thank you for coming back to my channel. I haven't been on for a little while, been a little bit busy, and I thought I'd just come on with a quick video now. In my unboxing, first time I'm going to see this, I haven't opened it. I had it a while, but I've been waiting to get onto YouTube so that I could unbox it with you and show you my first reaction seeing it, your first reaction in seeing it. Haven't seen it on my head, so it might suit me, it might not. It's one of the higher end wigs. It's a Raquel Welch, and let me just show you the box that it's coming in. That's the box, and I won't tell you what it is just yet. You might have seen me unpack one of the other ones, the Aliyah one. Tissue paper it comes in. So as I say, I'm unwrapping it for the very first time. I got it from wigoutlet.com. That's the little card that it comes with, and it tells you that it was quality checked by, I think it's this Mirabelle, I think the name is there. And I will put a link to wigoutlet.com in the box down below. So here is the wig. Comes in a net. This is the tag. This is the name of the wig, Crowd Pleaser by Raquel Welch. It has a net on it. Comes in a net with a net. Comes packed inside out with the wefts. It's a short wig that I've got here. What else? It's got little tags on the back. Average cap size. The wefting is like this. The tabs, the felt tabs that are for comfort. No combs. The higher end wigs don't come with combs. Don't think you necessarily need them. You might need them for security if you feel comfortable that way. Alright, here is my wig, my stocking cap, which I'm going to put on. I've just washed my hair. It's pretty dry when it's this short. Just wash it, put a flannel over it to dry it. Here's the wig cap. I'm going to look to my right. I have a mirror to my right, so that I can see how it's looking instead of looking in the monitor. It doesn't have any mono top, this wig, so it doesn't have a parting space. It just has like a zigzag space. And let's see how it looks. It's in the brown colour. What colour is it? The colour is RL4/6. It's called Black Coffee. So here we go. Let's have a look and see how this looks. I'm just going to look in the mirror. So it's not bad. It's a kind of bob style. To me, it's not a big head friendly, but because the hair comes forward, it hides a lot of my sides that are sticking out. It does have a little bit of lace at the front, but again, it's not really necessary because the front of it covers the front of the netting. It's not bad, it's okay. Tuck it behind the ears. I'm not going to comb it through, I just use my fingers for now. Won't mess it up too much, or perfect it too much, should I say. So this is it. Just going to get the mirror so I can have a look in the daylight. I've got a big window in front of me. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad style after all. So this is it. I'll show you the top. Like I say, I'll put the link down below so you can see the price, what I paid for it, and it's wig outlet, like I say. So this is my left side. This is my right side. And I'll show you the back. The back side. Kind of a bob kind of style with a lot of layering and little curls and stuff. But yeah. And the fringe, I call it a fringe, I'm a Brit, fringe. Old school, not bangs, fringe. So yes, thank you for watching everybody. I hope you'll come back to my channel again. And just to say, I just want you all to know, and the truth is, Jesus loves you. Okay, so have a good week and a good day, whatever you might be doing. And I'll see you all soon. Okay, take care. God bless. Bye.